Usually when you buy a TV cable, you just grab whatever's cheap, plug it in, and totally forget about it. It's just this invisible part of your living room.
Right, exactly. Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, but if you step into the world of commercial AV infrastructure, that little plastic cord is, well, it's entirely inadequate. Welcome to today's deep dive.
Yeah, we are looking at a product page from HDTV Supply today, and it really decodes what makes commercial-grade tech fundamentally different from, your everyday electronics.
Right. Okay. Let's unpack this. Because HDTV Supply, it is not a big box store.
No, not at all.
Their catalog has literally thousands of products. We're talking massive sports bar video matrices to government GSA schedule items.
Right, those pre-vetted, highly secure items for federal purchasing. It's a huge scale.
So to really understand this massive industry, we're focusing on one hyper-specific item today. It's a 60-meter DVIGear 8XLC multimode optical plenum cable.
Yeah, zooming in on the physical engineering of this one cable, it just reveals why commercial tech has to be built so robustly.
Because the specs alone are kind of wild. It's listed as a 50/125 micrometer multimode fiber cable.
With 8 LC connectors.
Right, so let's translate that jargon a bit. A micrometer is basically a fraction of a human hair.
Yeah, it's incredibly tiny.
And the 50/125 refers to the glass core carrying the light and then the cladding reflecting it back inward. So instead of a standard one-lane copper wire, this is like an 8-lane data superhighway.
Exactly. And because it's multimode fiber, it's like having stacked lanes of traffic. Different colors of light can travel simultaneously.
Oh, wow. Bouncing at different angles without crashing into each other.
Right. It's super efficient. And those 8 LC connectors, which are essentially high-density snap-in fiber plugs, they come factory terminated.
Which makes sense, right? An installer doesn't have time to splice microscopic glass in a dusty ceiling.
Exactly. They need it ready to deploy. You don't have a clean room environment on a construction site.
Wait, so if this glass is that microscopic and fragile, how does it survive being dragged through a construction site without just shattering?
Well, what's fascinating here is the casing itself. The specs note a plenum-rated black jacket.
A plenum rating?
Yeah, so in commercial buildings, the plenum is the space above a drop ceiling used for air circulation.
Okay, gotcha.
If a fire breaks out, standard plastics burn and pump toxic smoke right into the HVAC system.
Oh, yikes. That's a disaster.
Right. So a plenum jacket is built with specialized fire-retardant polymers to meet strict fire codes. It legally allows the cable in those airspaces.
So it's heavily shielded, rigid glass, basically being dragged through air ducts. That actually makes me question the broader trend here.
How so?
Well, we are in the era of AV over IP. Everything is moving to standard networking, wireless stuff. Why are we still dealing with massive 60-meter optical cables and all the logistical headaches? Isn't this dinosaur tech?
You'd think so, right?
Yeah.
But AV over IP still requires massive physical infrastructure to handle uncompressed 4K and 8K video.
Oh, so wireless or standard copper Ethernet just chokes on that much data.
Exactly. You absolutely need the fiber backbone. And hauling miles of fragile glass dictates a completely different supply chain.
Because you can't just toss a government-grade video matrix or 60 meters of optical fiber into the back of a standard delivery van.
No, optical fiber requires specialized freight handling. You had to prevent microfractures in the glass during transit.
Which perfectly explains this customer review we saw from July 2026.
Oh, yeah, the one from JS in Illinois.
Right. Jay said it was a smooth sale and they had great customer support, but he complained that shipping and handling was a decent percentage of the final price, and he felt it should have been disclosed earlier.
Which, when you order from an industrial supplier, you're buying heavy infrastructure.
Right.
Things like 160 by 160 HDMI matrix switches.
And massive video wall processors. It's not a standard consumer parcel.
Right. Freight shipping, specialized insurance, and careful handling for industrial fragile gear just inherently costs significantly more.
So whether you are wiring up a local sports bar or maybe you're just curious about the IT infrastructure running in the walls around you right now.
Yeah, understanding these physical requirements, like plenum ratings and specialized freight logistics, is just crucial.
Exactly. It's how you avoid serious project delays or budget blowouts.
The physical hardware realities always dictate the success of the installation, no matter how advanced the data gets.
For sure. But all of this makes you wonder, though. We've got 8K video and heavy AV over IP networks dominating the commercial world.
And that technology always trickles down eventually.
Right. So how soon will the massive data capacity of these commercial multimode optical cables become a strict requirement for your own living room?
That is a really great question.
Yeah, the invisible cord behind your TV might just need an 8-lane upgrade sooner than you think.